Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on entering and exiting low power reserve mode on Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Low power reserve prolongs battery life by turning off all features except the current time. To turn it on, swipe up from the bottom to get to your control center. Tap on your battery's remaining percentage. Here there is a slider to enable power reserve. Slide it to the right. Tap Proceed to confirm. Your watch is now in power reserve mode, and it won't do anything except show the time. To exit power reserve mode, hold down the side button on your watch for several seconds until you see the Apple logo. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.